kind of girl do you like? And most of the answers that I got, they were just like, yeah, I don't know. I just want to see how it goes. I gave this exercise to my client, and he said that helped him to create a lot of clarity in his head. So it's very important, that you know what you are actually after, what you want to meet. If you don't have any vision, any kind of idea, you're not gonna be able to attract that thing. So as an exercise, I gave this exercise to my client, and he said that helped him to create a lot of clarity in his head when it comes to, meeting that partner, and when it comes to being more clear, at what kind of person he wants to attract. So write down on a piece of paper everything that you would like in your ideal partner. Now imagine you got some magical powers, anything that you can think of. So could be,
her religious views, her aspirations, her hobbies, her lifestyle, her job, her spirituality, her eating habits, anything you can think of. So it's going to be a really, really, really long list. It's not just, like 5 points, but you have to be as specific as possible.
I know this sounds a bit crazy, but be as specific as possible. Then look at your list and cross out every single point that doesn't make you feel excited or passionate when you think about it. So look at that list and cross out everything that doesn't make you feel excited or passionate. Then look through that list again and go back to that list, maybe a few times a week, just go and read it. And then what will happen is that you will actually start seeing these people. You will start attracting this person because it's just how it works. If you close your eyes and I ask you how many blue things did you see around, you won't be able to see, but when you open your eyes, you will be able to see. So it works like that. So if you want to attract that kind of person, you have to make sure that you are that person, because otherwise, how that's gonna work? Especially if you rate yourself as a 0 and you want to attract a woman that is a 9, 10, which I know it's like I'm being very what's the word? Oh man, what's the word? Hard to say. And if you don't feel that you are worthy, if you don't feel that you deserve that person, that you can, someone, that could actually love you, could actually appreciate you for who you are, then that's completely another thing. And you need to work on yourself. You need to work on your self-esteem, how you see yourself. And if you're not happy with the way you are, you can always go and learn new things, and you can make yourself better. I was talking to a lot of guys and I asked them, do you read books? And so many said, no, I don't have time to read books. What about Netflix? Do you have, do you watch Netflix? And they're like, yeah, I spend hours watching Netflix. I love Netflix. I do that every night. I come from work, I watch Netflix. So just the thing, like, if you are someone that doesn't have time to read books, doesn't have time to listen to podcasts, to listen to audiobooks, but to spend your weekend watching, I don't know, what's the cards, the House of Cards, what's that show? I don't know, whatever show you're watching at the moment. If you spend the whole weekend, going through 5 seasons of something, but you're saying you don't have time to read books, then sorry, but it's just, if you want to attract the person that you can share your most amazing experiences and someone that you can create something together, you have to make sure that you are that person. I'm sure you already have the tools and all the other things that are necessary for this. Now, if you feel that I could be someone that could support you on the way, and if you haven't dated anyone in a long time, make sure you hit subscribe so then you're not gonna miss the next video. And in the next video, I'm gonna tell you how to be less awkward and what to say, how to make that connection, so then she doesn't forget you and she's like, okay, who is this guy? I want to see him again. Make sure that you subscribe. I get a lot of messages from men asking them if I can find them a woman. I cannot find you a woman. However, I can help you and I can give you the tools to make sure that you are your best self and that you can attract that right kind of woman for yourself. You have to have the right attitude towards that. You have to be hardworking and an action taker. Hard to say it. Hope this has been helpful. Like, comment, share, because it always makes me happy, and I send you lots of love.